Building a software application can be very daunting. And what can be more even daunting is for a programmer of experience on how to start teaching a newbie, somebody who has no experience in software development. So I then thought of, what about teaching people how to code based on a particular project, especially a project that will cover all the fundamentals and some of the in-depth uh, usage of a particular tech stack, for instance. So in this tutorial, we will explore how we can develop this inventory system from scratch, meaning that we are going to build this user interface and we are going to apply many of the functionalities of this inventory system. I can tell you that this is a very huge project. So I am not promising that we are going to cover every detail of the project, but I can assure you that if you follow through all the models that will be covered in this tutorial or in this series of tutorial, you are going to be able to build a user interface that looks like this, because we are going to simulate it, and you are going to understand how to build functionalities, okay, that are used in this particular software. So in this tutorial, we'll be using Next 15, which is the latest Next.js application. Okay, so this is what the interface looks like when you first sign up or log into your Zoho Inventory account. You are going to find something like this. Okay, this is home. Okay, and we can get to see getting started. Here Zoho is telling us what we can do and what not. Here Zoho is making some announcements, presenting announcements, and here is recent updates. Okay, but this is the dashboard where we can see the analytics, the sales activities, inventory, summary, items, details, top selling items. This is the analytic page of the inventory system when you are logged in. Okay, so let's go to the inventory part where items, we have item groups, we have inventory adjustments. Okay, when I click on inventories, we are going to see the items. These are the basic this is just a mere scratch of this particular software on my account that was just created for the purpose of this tutorial. So we need to see what they have and how can we do this. How can we do this? How can we develop the same like Zoho is having? Okay, let's go to item groups. The items are grouped, they are categorized, and the inventory adjustments. Okay, on this particular account, it is completely empty. Why? Because I have not added any inventory. Like I said, this was simply created, okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, so that you can be inspired and see from onset whether what we are about to, the journey we are about to embark on is what you really want to, So, and let's go to another menu where we have the sales. Customers is empty because we have not added any customer. Start mining your sales activities, create sales orders. Okay, so all of these they are in scratch because I've not added anything, like I said earlier on. Okay, but this is just to give you a taste of what we are going to be building. Like I said earlier, let me reiterate it. We may not be able to finish the whole project because this is going to take some time, especially we are going to be engaging with students that probably that are newbie, okay, stark beginners in main development or software development in general, okay. But still, once you complete this tutorial series, you will be good to go in developing software applications using NextJS application. Okay, we will be using the database, which is MongoDB. We are going to be delving into some other stuffs that comes with NextJS. We'll be using Prisma as our ORM, connecting that with MongoDB. We're using React definitely for the interface. So if this sounds interesting, you can just join us, sign up for this tutorial. We are going to be starting very soon, and we are going to make an announcement on when we are going to start.